Have you ever wondered why humans evolved to get hiccups? Well, believe it or not, hiccups could be a leftover from our earlier fish-like ancestors. During a hiccup, the muscles we use to inhale contract, while our vocal cords are slammed shut by the tongue and the roof of the mouth. There's no clear purpose for hiccups in humans, but a similar pattern of movement among amphibians is useful. When tadpoles are breathing underwater during a stage, when they have both lungs and gills, hiccup activity in both humans and amphibians starts from the brainstem. So I guess we're part fish?